You're probably thinking, how bad can a crimping tool really be? But here's what no product page tells you. Most cheap crimpers leave tiny gaps in the connection that cause intermittent drops, and you won't even know until your network fails at the worst moment. That's why picking the right one actually matters. Product number 1, Klein Tools VDV226110. First up is the Klein Tools VDV226110, a pro-grade ratcheting crimper that stands out for its precision and durability. At around $60.70, it's definitely on the higher end, but if you want a tool that feels like it belongs in an electrician's belt, this is worth a serious look. It also strips, cuts, and crimps, handling RJ11, RJ12, and RJ45 pass-through connectors. The ergonomic yellow and black grip is comfortable even after long sessions, and the on-tool wiring guide helps avoid those frustrating miswires. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're doing structured cabling at home or for small business installs, consistency is everything, and Klein delivers that. Now, some people complained about the price being too high compared to basic kits. Here's the thing though, this isn't a hobbyist tool. If you're doing occasional patch cables, maybe overkill. But if you're crimping dozens of cables a week, the reliability pays for itself. This is perfect for you if you need professional-grade performance and don't mind investing in a tool that lasts decades. Skip this one if you're just fixing 1 or 2 home network issues occasionally. It's serious hardware. Product number 2, YWNEGWE All-in-One Kit. Now, if Klein's price made you pause, this YWNEGWE kit at just over $32 might be your sweet spot. It comes with 20 pass-through connectors, covers, a wire stripper, and even a network tester, all in one compact blue package. Right out of the box, you notice it's heavier than expected, thanks to the steel construction with a rust-resistant black oxide finish. The crimping action is smooth, and it handles Cat5e through Cat6a shielded cables without bending. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The included tester lets you verify every cable immediately so you don't waste time troubleshooting later. Plus, the scanning function can trace buried or wall-hidden cables, super handy during installs. The blades are sharp and replaceable, which extends the tool's life. Here's the thing though, you probably already have one lying around, and it's a minor trade-off for such a complete kit at this price. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or small IT tech who wants everything in one box without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need Cat7 support or plan to crimp hundreds of cables monthly. It's great, but not industrial grade. Product number 3, Salsup Pass-Through Kit. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But the next one, Salsup's Pass-Through Kit at $45.39, steps up the game with more connectors and smarter design. You get 50 RJ45 pass-through plugs, 50 boots, a mini stripper, pliers, and a tester, all packed neatly. What really impressed me was the pass-through technology. You feed the wires through the connector before crimping, which eliminates guesswork and reduces errors. The wiring diagram printed right on the tool is a lifesaver when you're tired or working fast. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever had to recrimp a cable because the order was wrong, this feature alone saves hours. It works with round STP-UTP cables and trims cleanly. The ergonomic grip reduces hand fatigue and the steel build feels sturdy. Now, some people complain the plastic parts feel a bit flimsy compared to metal-heavy tools. Here's the thing though, for occasional to moderate use, it's more than durable enough, and the extra accessories make up for it. This is perfect for you if you want a balanced mix of quality, quantity, and ease of use. Great for home labs or small office setups. Skip this one if you're doing high-volume commercial work where every second counts. Product number 4, ZOERAX Complete Crimping Kit. Now, if Salsup gave you good value, ZOERAX at $38.51 throws in even more extras, including spare blades, which is rare. This black and yellow kit includes a pass-through crimper, cable tester, wire cutters, 2 types of strippers, 50 connectors, and 50 strain relief boots. The crimper itself handles 4, 6, and 8 position connectors, so it's versatile beyond just Ethernet. What stood out was the anti-burn PoE test feature on the tester. It protects your gear when testing powered lines, which is huge if you're working near live networks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Accidental PoE damage can fry your laptop or router, so this safety layer is underrated. The adjustable stripper lets you handle both round and flat cables without nicking conductors. Now, some people complain the instructions are vague and the layout feels cluttered. Here's the thing though, once you get familiar with it, the workflow becomes second nature, and having spare blades means you're never stuck. This is perfect for you if you want maximum functionality in one kit and don't mind a slight learning curve. Skip this one if you prefer minimalist tools or only do basic home networking. Product number 5, Salsip Cat 7 Ready Pro Kit. Finally, if you're future-proofing your setup, this Salsip upgrade at $44.42 supports Cat 7 cables, something most budget tools can't handle. It includes 50 pass-through connectors, boots, a tester with a 300-meter range, and a mini stripper. The crimper works with shielded and unshielded cables, thanks to the dovetail clip design that grips securely. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're installing high-speed networks or running cables for smart homes, Cat 7 ensures you won't bottleneck your bandwidth. The upgraded tester is more durable and accurate, and the compact grip makes one-handed use possible. Now, some people complained it's heavier than expected and the manual is poorly translated. Here's the thing though, the weight adds stability during crimps, and you'll mostly rely on muscle memory anyway. This is perfect for you if you're building a high-performance network and want a tool that grows with your needs. Skip this one if you're only using Cat 5e or don't plan to upgrade soon. It's overkill for basic use. So which one should you grab? Klein if you want pro reliability, YWNEGWE for the best budget all-in-one, Salsip's first kit for balanced value, ZOERAX if you want spare parts and PoE safety, and the Cat 7 Ready Salsip if you're building for the future. No matter your need, one of these will save you time, frustration, and re-crimped cables.